Good morning students, how are you? I hope you are fine at your home. Today we are going to learn sound of WH. WH means V. WH. WH means V. And second is NG. NG means ang. Okay. Let's start. First of all, write down date. Today's date 2/11/2020. First of all, write down WH. WHAT what. Second is WHERE where. WHO who. WHICH which. WHYY WHEN when. WHOLE whole. Okay, that's NG word. KING king. RING ring. WING wing. GANG gang. HANG hang. LUNG lung. DUNG dung. And next page is gender. GENDER जेंडर. अब आपने यहाँ पर जेंडर लिखना है. जेंडर मीन्स लिंग बदलो होते हैं. जैसे फादर का लिंग बदलो क्या होगा? मदर. फादर का जेंडर क्या होगा? मदर. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट डाउन 2/11/2020 FATHER फादर. फादर का क्या होगा? मदर. तो राइट डाउन मदर. MOTHER मदर. HE he means she. SHE she. BOY boy. Boy का क्या होगा? गर्ल. GIRL गर्ल. BOY boy. GIRL गर्ल. UNCLE अंकल. अंकल का होगा आंट. AUNT आंट. BULL बुल. काउ. बुल काउ. COW काउ. LION लायन. लायनेस. LION लायन. ESS लायनेस. COCK कॉक. hen. HEN hen. BROTHER ब्रदर. ब्रदर का क्या होगा? सिस्टर. SISTER सिस्टर. ब्रदर सिस्टर. फादर मदर. he she. बॉय गर्ल. अंकल आंट. बुल काउ. लायन lioness. cock hen. brother sister. And take out this book smileys and page number is 5959. Read this page. Today's date 2/11/2020 and read. WH. WH means V. WHYY WHEN when. WHAT what. WHIP whip. WHERE where. WHICH which. WISKER whisker. WHEEL wheel, WHEAT wheat, WHOLE wool. And second is ang, KING king, RING ring, WING wing, THING think, STRING string, GANG gang, HANG hang, LUNG lung, DUNG dung, HUNG hung. You have to read this chapter and you have to do this work in your English notebook. Gender. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.